Hello everyone, welcome to G-Techie. Today we are going to see fascinating facts about ocean bathymetry. First, bathymetry, the study of beds or flows of the water bodies, including the ocean, rivers, streams and lakes. The next one is bathymetric maps that illustrate the land that lies under the water. That is implied by the color. Here the different shades of colors are there. That is the C4 relief with some variations. So the undulations used to be there, and the line which is the contour line. Bathymetry is the basement. That means the fundamental of the science of hydrography. Hydrography means measure the physical feature of the water body, such as the shape and features of the shoreline. Here it's that you can see the shoreline and the characteristics of the tides, currents and waves, and the physical and chemical properties of the water itself. Ancient bathymetric measurements. In ancient times, scientists would conduct bathymetric measurements by throwing a heavy rope over the side of the ship and recording the length of rope it took to reach the floor. This method was inaccurate and incomplete. But nowadays we are using echo sounder. Echo sounder sends out the sound pulse from the ship's hull to the ocean floor. Here it's shown in the brown color, and measures the time it takes for the pulse to bounce back, how much time to take the pulse to return back that instrument. So the longer it takes, the deeper the water. Even though we are using the echo sounders for the depth measurement, some issues used to be there because of that factors, such as ship's movement, the reflection from the undersea organisms, and the variation in the speed of the sound in the water. Next one is the ocean floor. Here the image that's shown is the ocean floor. So the bathymeter can reveal the important features of the ocean floor, such as the ocean trenches, mid-ocean ridges, continental shelves and submarine canyons. Bathymetric features such as the continental shelf and the seamounts interact with ocean currents and winds to produce the regions of upwelling, where the nutrition-rich waters are brought to the surface. The nutrition-rich water supports high levels of primary protection by phytoplankton. The image which shows in that here is a phytoplankton, which in turn attracts the larger organisms. This might help in the fishing. If the farmers use the phytoplankton's mapping, means they can use it, they can make use of it. Bathymetry can also affect the wave formation behavior. If there is a steep ascent of the ocean floor near the beach, it will cause waves to rise more quickly and become bigger. If the ocean floor has a slow and gradual ascent, the waves will come in more slowly and not break as big. We can think how bathymetry is helpful. So bathymetry can help scientists to understand the history and evolution of the Earth's crust, as well as the distribution and diversity of marine life. And it can also help with navigation, exploration, resource management, hazard assessment, and the environmental protection. For more information, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.